2 plus 2 equals 4, and again, 2 plus 2 equals 4, and the product of 4 times 4 is 16. But this answer is wrong, because we didn't pay attention to the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a rule I use to know what part of a math expression to solve first. It helps me do calculations in the right order so the answer doesn't get mixed up. First I do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. According to the PEMDAS rule, we first solve the expression inside the parentheses. So, 2 plus 2 becomes 4, and the expression turns into 2 plus 2 times 4. Then we do the multiplication, 2 times 4 equals 8. Finally, the whole expression becomes 2 plus 8, which equals 10. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.